This has never been done before. What's up guys, so Samsung is out here making history, bringing some world's first exclusive features to its Galaxy Z smartphone lineup. Yes, that's right, Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 have got more tricks up their sleeves than we first imagined. The absolute most important thing about a foldable phone is durability, and Samsung has just achieved a level that no one has touched before. According to Evan Bloss on Twitter, we can officially see that Samsung is indeed bringing IPX rating on both Galaxy Z Flip 3 and Z Fold 3. By the look of how water is splashing on the devices, you can tell that Samsung is pretty confident. Now, IPX8 rating is a huge deal for foldable phones. This means that they can be submerged deeper than 1 meter depth. As for the exact depth amount, it's going to be specified by Samsung when they launch these devices. Now, additionally, Evleaks also leaked the full camera specs and display specs of both Z Flip 3 and the Fold 3. So we're getting a 6.7-inch display on the Z Flip 3 with a 1.9-inch cover display. For the Galaxy Fold 3, we have a 7.6-inch internal display with a 6.2-inch outer display. It's rocking 3 12-megapixel cameras on the back, 10-megapixel selfie camera sensor on the outer screen, and a brand new 4-megapixel under-display camera, which according to Universe is the best under-display camera right now. Paired with Samsung's processing, it will get the job done, but it won't be as good as the outer selfie camera. Now, the best thing about using the UTC is that you'll get a full-on, uninterrupted, full-fledged, bright 120Hz OLED panel for all that media consumption and gaming. And as we have already known for months already, the S Pen support is here, not only the traditional S Pen but also the S Pen Pro. Now, as for the storing of the S Pen, we have some renders of the case itself. I gotta say, the design looks very well built. The S Pen goes towards the back and it doesn't seem bulky at all. In my opinion, much better than the Galaxy S21 Ultra's case. Obviously, the best implementation is when you put the S Pen built in. Still, this doesn't look bad. So there we go, the world's exclusive stuff is indeed officially happening. Display camera, S Pen, IPX8 rating, it's all happening for the first time on a foldable phone. Samsung is definitely pushing all the boundaries. Now, things don't stop there. Corning has officially confirmed that Samsung will be the first OEM to use their brand new Gorilla Glass DX lenses for the camera of its upcoming phones. We're not fully sure whether Samsung will be utilizing this on the Galaxy Z Flip 3 or Z Fold 3, but there's a very strong possibility. Thanks to these lenses, the camera will get more light, better flare control, and just overall better camera performance, especially in low light situations. Now, still, the best camera on a Samsung phone will be on the S21 Ultra. In my opinion, the Z Fold 3 absolutely deserves this camera, especially with no Galaxy Note 21 series. Samsung should have gone all the way. But yeah, the current cameras are obviously not bad, they're just not the very best. I hope they utilize the new lenses, and I would love to see what improvements we get in real life scenarios. Now, last but not the least, Samsung's big software update is finally coming. We're actually going to see it coming out officially at the end of August 2021. Welcome One UI 3.1.1. Very likely this brand new version will come out of the box on both Z Flip 3 and Z Fold 3. So that's all the latest news. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. How excited are you for the upcoming Galaxy Z lineup? Again, all will be official on August 11th. Super excited. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace out.